Hello and welcome to another video. Just right off the bat, sorry if my voice is really quiet in these. I mean, it's not needed, but sorry if it's still quiet because sometimes the game could be quite loud and annoying in the videos. So yeah. Anyway, the streetlights. I don't really know how that works or whatever. I made a new neighborhood. So this neighborhood I have here, that's where I was building for a while. Once I got out of school, you can see this was pre-summer, and I didn't have much time to build. And once summer hit, I just went to work and built like a really detailed road sidewalk system or whatever. But anyway, I usually built in this area. As you can see, my last tutorial was that house over there, and I made a new neighborhood. It was originally going to be like a 70s style neighborhood, but now it's like 80s and 90s. Like, as you can see, this house and this house are like 70s, and kind of just transitioning to 80s and 90s, sort of. But the neighborhood is called Oak Trail Estates. Let me actually put an established thing. Oak Trail Estates. Established. I'm gonna do late 80s, early 90s, so 1987, 86. Just makes it seem more lively, I guess. I don't really know. But I decided to go for this smooth sandstone surface instead because I just think it looks a little bit more realistic, and I left the sidewalks how they were. But yeah, so we'll get straight into building. I was thinking of doing a backsplit or split level house today. So yeah, I guess let's just get straight to it. So I have a new rule for this neighborhood anyway. So the fences only go out the farthest point of the house, like right here, not over there, but like the closest to it. It doesn't really matter, but if you go over here, you can see that that one's like in line with that one. I messed up with this block width there, but it's just basically whatever's there first, it's how it goes. It's not that complicated, it's just, I feel like it makes it look slightly more realistic, I guess, yeah. I also made it so that when you space out the things, it's 3, so that's our starting block right there. Just turn my audio up. Okay, so let's get straight to building. I'm gonna make sure that's the right one because I don't trust myself. So I was thinking of doing like a contemporary style, you know how the cedar siding with maybe some like oak parts with like mainly this brown color, and then you could do like oak in the roofs. I don't know. I'll see if I could do that. But I know I'll need slabs. I'll use spruce wood. I use brown terracotta for the shutters in the front. And have a window box. Black stained glass pane. Yeah, let's just get straight to it, I guess. So Usually what I do with these houses is I go like that. Just kind of build up. I know the kitchen is going to be 4 blocks by 4 blocks. So like this. I'm just going to make the walls in here just white because it's basic and it's easy. You could do the floors the same. Right, sorry about that. So, let's see. Yeah. For me, it's super quiet. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these oak planks. I have no clue. I think, you know what, I don't need them. I'll just use slabs. This. I guess that's alright. Now in here, usually on the houses there's like a owl-shaped kitchen, then there's like a little dining thing. So I'm gonna put a window. And I'm just gonna build a wall here. It's a sink, and then you could have like a pass-through. And then this dining area. These dining areas are always so small. And you could barely ever fit stuff in there, but it's whatever, I guess. I hope I do this correctly. I feel like I'm gonna screw this up or something dumb. One thing I have trouble with the most is just block sizes. If one block's about a meter, it's like 3 inches, or 3 feet 4 inches, then I don't know how to do my splits. Like for a bi-level, like just pretend this is like window height. For bi-level, that's good because you don't have to make the garage too far on the ground. So if there's like a garage that's in the ground, it's pretty good. But if there's not, I kind of just do this. Like this looks like I could technically do it like that, but I keep it like this to make it look better. But it's always tough. Sometimes I used to, I'll just show you real quick. See, like on this house here, I would put foundations, like this 2-story too. Put foundations, but if this was real, you gotta remember that this is 3 feet. And this is 6 feet, just these 2 blocks, about 6, almost 7 feet maybe. 7'8". So that's really tall, just for the foundation. Usually in real life it's like 1.5 feet or something, I think, just like up to there. So it'd have to be like on slabs, which is impossible, of course. I mean, it looks nice, but it's just not realistic. It'd be better off if it was just on the ground. So that's something I always have to deal with, which not that big of an issue, but it's just annoying. See, like this split entry home, which means it's just you walk into it goes up and down, not split level. You can see that it's above the ground a little bit, not flush in the ground, just because the garage, like this looks steep enough. Just imagine if it was 1 block deeper. So it's something you gotta keep in mind. Sorry, this tutorial has been kind of crap because I've been just rambling on about block proportions and stuff that doesn't matter. Go, we got stairs downstairs and stairs upstairs. Just gonna not temporarily, I'm gonna put these walls in down here, just so that I can have a clean area to work with. Closet, bathroom. See, this is where I'm having trouble, because that's a very small bedroom. So, unless I make this like 1 more block, literally. I don't know how this will work. I'm not willing to go past there, so it's all of this I can work with. So maybe put a bathroom there. This is where it gets tricky because this bedroom's massive, this one's not. I think that works out. Door there, door there, door there, door there. This is a really big gap, but what are we gonna do about it, man? I'll cut window holes down there eventually. I think I'll have a big open window here. You know what? the basement a little bit smaller, just because I think this looks a bit more realistic with the overhang. That's how like 90% of split levels are in real life, like that. So I've run out of time in this episode because I didn't get that far, but just stay tuned for the next episode, I guess. Thanks for watching, bye.